Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a try on clothing haul. So everything in this video is from Forever 21. It's not that big of a haul, but everything I ordered ended up working for me, so I thought to celebrate this monumental moment, I'd make a video trying on the clothes, and I asked on my Twitter if anybody wanted to see it, and everyone voted yes on the poll. Even though it was only like 12 people, but all 12 of them said they wanted to see it, so I'ma film it. I'm gonna start with the shirt I'm wearing right now. It is just like a white like camisole. I also got it in black. I'm pretty sure it was $3.90, so $4. It was really cheap, and like I like it a lot, and it's like kind of a nice and thick material. It's a little bit, well, see through the white one, but like, you can't really expect that much from a white shirt. So I thought it would look cute underneath this shirt that I'm gonna show you. It is a sheer shirt with little like white daisies on it. You'll see it better when I'm wearing it, but yeah, this is really cute. One thing is it's like really itchy, and there's a lot of loose threads. I mean, it's Forever 21, but like still it was kind of annoying. But this shirt was $19.90, and I got it in the size large. I would suggest sizing up because it is a lot tighter than I was expecting, and because it has this like trim on the arms and neck, it's like not stretchy, the neck hole. So like my huge ass head barely fit through. It was like really close. Every time I put it on here, like stuff is ripping. Then I have this shirt. I think it's so cute, and especially like at Valentine's Day, you know, that month. It just says more love at the top. It's basically just like a little plain t-shirt, but it has like these velvet letters. And oh my god, I was so excited when it got here and they were velvet, because when I ordered I didn't know they were velvet letters, but they're velvet letters. And they're so cute. I love them. And I really like wearing this. Okay, I've only worn it once, but I really like it when it's got like a little tie, and I'll show you. I like tied it in a little knot. You'll see that in the try on. But yeah, I really think this is so cute. And this was $9, so it was $8.90 technically. I have this sweater that, oh, I love it so much. It's so cute, and I wore it when I got my most recent tattoo, which is an A. It's a cropped, like, oversized sweater. Like, if you look at, like, the sleeves, like, it's, like, as long as my head. It's so cute with, like, high-waisted pants. All my pants are high-waisted because I gotta hold in my fat stomach, but yeah. Next, I have another little sweater. This one's also cropped. This one, oh, this big sweater, oh, I don't remember how much it was. That striped sweater was $22.90. This thing is so tiny. I don't know what's going on with Forever 21. Like, this is a size large. I swear to you. What, in what world? In literally in what world? Luckily, it's very stretchy, so it can fit my huge ass body in it. But still, I don't understand why they have to do that. And also, because for some reason, it's like not a large, but like the sleeves are super freaking long. Like, it's long, like it's supposed to be a large. Like, these are like 3 feet long. This sweater was $14.90. I think it's cute. It's cute because it's good that it stretches, but it's annoying that it looks so small. And like, here, same with this next sweater I want to show you. I have this little sweater, and it has a little heart on it. It's cute. And it's like a fuzzy little material. I don't know why I keep saying little, but it's like fuzzy. And it's got this little heart on it. It's pretty cute. It's very cropped. Again, this is a large. This bitch is tiny. It's tiny. This bitch is so small. But anyway, this cute sweater was $19.90. This little cropped velvet camisole. It's so cute, and it's a really pretty like purpley mauve color. Like, it's definitely more purple than pink, but I wouldn't say it's purple either. But it's so cute, and it's cropped, and this was $7.90, which it's kind of expensive. I don't know. It's kind of expensive for what it is. I have this really long cardigan. It's actually not Forever 21 brand. The brand is Sanjoy. And it has some like embroidery on the sleeves. You'll see them better on the in the try on, but it's really long. It's almost like a duster on me because I'm pretty short. I think this is really cute, and it's really warm and snuggly. Kind of want to put it on now because I'm getting kind of cold. I'm gonna put it on. Now I'm warm. This was $30.40. Actually, was it $30.40? Seems like a weird price. So it was originally $38. Then when I bought it, it was $30.40, and now it's marked down even further to $26.60. So if you want it, it's getting lower and lower, and I like it. And then the last item is a pair of really long, like stretchy flare bottom pants. I didn't try them on because I couldn't get a good view of them, but they were $14.90. They're really soft and comfortable and stretchy, and I really like them, and I'm excited to wear them. So if you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want me to do more like fashion hauls, because I do buy a lot of clothes. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.